everybody. All right, we had an excellent class today. Big turnout, lots of excellent questions, good discussion. We had two main parts to our class today. So our focus was on hive management for fall. So we wrapped up on August and the key points for September. And really it boils down to just a few things. The key points are you've got to manage your hive health. So you need to check your mites, treat your mites, you need to kill mites, and then you need to check again, measure your mite count again so that you know whether you've had a good mite kill and you have your mites under control or not. So that's first and foremost. We got to kill mites right now this time of year. This is the foundational period for next spring. This is the start, and I put the slide up here, Happy New Year, because this is the start of 2026 beekeeping right here. These bees are the foundation for next year's hive, whether this hive gets through the winter and then whether they thrive into spring. We're gonna control our mites, and we're gonna be evaluating our queen health after our mite treatment and evaluating the hive health, how many resources they have. If they've got enough pollen, we'll do a little supplemental pollen feeding. If they are light, if they don't have enough honey weight, we need to be in that like 60 to 100 pounds of honey weight. I mean, I like them heavy. So we need lots and lots of honey weight before winter. And if they're not putting on weight, if you're not having to strain to pick up the box right now, then we need to be doing supplemental feeding. We're transitioning to 2-to-1 sugar syrup right now in an open feeding kind of situation, so we prevent robbing. We're basically just trying to get them onto a good sound foundation here and get them healthy and strong so that they can make whatever resources they need, these fat winter bees, and get their resources banked up for wintertime. And then as a bonus, we had boss lady, Miss Melissa. She taught a class on rendering wax. So we talked about doing a solar wax melter and also using a stovetop method and even an oven method for cleaning up a little bit of extra honey. An excellent class. It was so great to see everybody. Lots of familiar faces and lots of new faces as well. We're just here sharing the knowledge. We appreciate you joining us in this journey. We've welcomed a lot of new beekeepers into the club here. It's an unofficial club. It's the Beekeeping Club. Like-minded folks doing like-minded things to support bees. We appreciate everybody out there. Thank you for coming to the class. Thank you for supporting us. We hope to see you soon. Be blessed.